Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a job offer letter with Gusto, full guide step by step clearly. To create a job offer letter using Gusto, begin by logging into your Gusto account. Once logged in, navigate to the People tab in the main menu. Select the Offers option from the drop-down. Click on the Create Offer button to initiate a new job offer. Enter the employee's email address in the designated field. Fill in the relevant details such as the employee's name, position, and start date. Select the compensation structure that applies to the job offer. Choose the appropriate benefits and perks to include based on your company's policy. Review the template options available for the job offer letter. Customize the template as needed to reflect your company's tone and specifics of the position. Include any additional information or clauses relevant to the role. Once you have completed the letter, review it thoroughly for accuracy. After confirming that everything is correct, click Send Offer to deliver the letter to the employee. The employee will receive an email with the offer letter for their review. They can then accept or request modifications directly within Gusto. Once the offer is accepted, Gusto will prompt you to finalize onboarding tasks. This completes the process of creating a job offer letter in Gusto. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.